chat with our brand ambassadors later on. Not to worry. You can get more photos for sure. Ayan. Okay. Please go, okay. Let's make sure na kompleto na po ang tables. Ayan. Eri, can you help check? Dali, sayang po ang chance to win kapag hindi pa nagsa-start. Ready na po ba? Facilitators, can I see a thumbs up? Kung ready na ang table ninyo? Not yet. Okay. Let me know agad ha, para we can start the timer soon. Sige, kaya natin to. Tapos chill, mataas ang ulit ko. Mainit. Yes, madam. Wala kayong assignment pa? Okay. Wait, let me call on my teammate. Erin, can you assign them please sa tables? Ito, I think our facilitators are raising up the table numbers for those with available seats. So you can proceed to those tables para makumpleto na 3 or 4, at least 3 or 4 in the game. Okay. Doon sa dulo. Okay. 3 or 4 per table. So kung meron na kayong 3, you can already start. Over at 11 and 12, dito sa kabilang side. Sa 15, may kulang pa. Okay. Okay. O sige, last call na natin to. We're gonna start the timer. Last call na po natin. We're gonna start the timer in a bit. So kung wala pa kayong table, please proceed to a table right now. Game table at the sides. Nakataas ang numbers for those with vacant seats. Last 10 seconds. Kailangan nakapwesto na yung 10 seconds, okay? Kung dalawa, isa, Pumps, asa na si Pumps? Pumps, pataas ng tawa. They can start with 2, kung talagang wala. If 2 lang, you can already start. Okay, last 10 seconds for you guys to join the table. Please, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start the timer, please. Timer has been started. Sa pagsisimula ng game, facilitators, don't forget to offer the starter cards and give them the 100,000 pesos starter money. Achieve ang goal of a vacation fund. That's the goal that we're playing for. Yon ang mananalo. investments ka agad. Alam mong advisors. How about our influencer friends? Ayan. Grabe naman yung suspense. Let's go, JV. May small wins ka agad? Wow, let's see. Anong small wins ni JV? Wow! Sinuwerte ka agad? Start pa lang ng game, ha? In fairness, willing sila mag-invest ka agad sa Sunfit and Well. They recognize the value of the product. Busy na. Let's see. 16 minutes to go. Meron na po bang namumuro dito? Ayan. Nagsistart pa lang sila. Okay. Don't forget, our facilitators, kapag even number, sisweldo sila. Pero pag odd number, bayaran ng mga gastusin. God, bayad agad talaga. Such is life. But we're seeing our media friends really investing in the emergency tokens, in the insurance products. Good job. Pero question mo yung advisor. Hayaan mo siya sa desisyon niya. Ayan. Wow. I can imagine na, syempre, some of you medyo namumuro, medyo maraming funds, but let's also remember, sometimes, it takes just one live event para mabawi lahat ng inipon natin, so we have to be protected. Ganyan talaga, life happens. You have to make life choices so you can experience a life win. For our facilitators, kapag meron na pong winner sa table niyo, please raise your hand. Call our attention so that we can get your names. Dito sa brand ambassadors natin, isa sinong namumuro? Sino maraming fans? Mateo? Wow! Medyo intense. Intense, pretty financial. Grabe. nagkaroon sila ng mga small wins. Mananalisa! Hanggang dito nagabayad ka. Ganyan talaga life happens. Life happens sa sa game. Si Mark, ikaw Mark, kumusta? One. Oh, life wins! Let's see, let's see! Wow! Ano yan? 100% of the salary ay nako, sana sa totoong buhay na lang talaga. Candice, ano, nananalo ka ba? Guys, may emergency token ka. Malit ang sweldo. Good job, guys. Go, go, go! Si Mr. Scooby. Dito po kami namumuro na. 10 minutes to go, guys. Masyaping ang mesa dito ah. Tatlo-tatlo sila nandun. Anong sinapin mo, madam? Skincare ba? Skincare. Oh, shopping din dito. Ang shopping talaga. Sale season pa naman ngayon. Ano na? Manalo ka na. Let's go na to Beijing and Shanghai. May token, may token. Wow! Sarap naman o sana totoo.
We have a winner, ladies and gentlemen.
And who is the winner? Mateo is the winner.
Winner, Sudan. May bonus Sudan ito.
Congrats, Patty. Ladies and gentlemen, our fireside chat with our brand ambassadors and Miss Scarlett Shaw will start after the game is done. So please just hang on. We have 8 minutes to go, guys. 8 minutes to go. I hope you're gaining some ground with your financial goal. Vacation fund ang ating pinaging goal. I hope you're getting close. Si Jenny, mas maligay ba sa players? Mas intense ka. I know, oo. Pa-follow up na po sa aircon. Conrad. Medyo mainit po. Let's see. Halo-halo yung emotions na naririnig ko. para makabawi na sa mga fans. Wow, may winner na over here! Yung mga Sun Life Advisor, oh, parang sila yung nanalo. Parang sila... Ay, kumuha ng insurance. At naligtas ng insurance ang game. Why not? I love it.